Hello everyone, this is Shivangi ma'am here. I'm here to take class of standard 4, subject science, and the chapter is 3. Okay, and the chapter name is safety first. So I hope previously whatever things I provided to you, you all have completed it. So and before watching this video, do read this chapter thoroughly, and after that watch this video. Okay, and this chapter name of this chapter is safety first. This tells us about whatever the things and precautions we should take before doing any work. We should see our safety first, and after that we should do any work. Okay, so newspaper carry news of accidents almost every day. Accident can cause harm to life and property. So mostly in newspaper you'll see that the news of accidents and everything is the newspaper is filled with the news of accidents. So this accident can damage our life and also our property. They cause pain and suffering, and after this accident, when accident happen, it cause a lot of pain and it also cause a lot of suffering because it damages the property and of course the person also. Accidents can be avoided if we follow safety rules at home, at school, and at everywhere. So we can keep ourselves safe from these accidents if we follow some safety rules. Injuries at home are mostly caused by slipping on the floor, burns, electric shocks, and chemical poisoning. So it is not necessary that if you'll go on road, and it is not necessary that accidents can only happen on roads and on vehicles. It can also happen while you are at home. So before touching any electrical appliances or anything, you should be careful, very careful. Like at home also you can get injured by slipping on the floor, you can get burns also, electric shocks and chemical poisoning. So make your home a safe place. Being aware and alert will go a long way in keeping you safe. So you should be very alert and be very careful while doing anything, or before make yourself safe from everything. And now we'll read about safety at home. So you read above everything, like we can face injuries at home also. So what safety measures we should take at home? So first one is slipping on the floor. A person can slip on the wet floor. How a person will slip on the floor? A person can only slip on the floor if the floor is wet, matlab गीला है अगर ज़मीन. Okay. Or he could also trip over scattered toys or stumble down the stairs. Okay, so how one can get slipped? अगर जब ज़मीन गीली होगी तब, या फिर कुछ सामान इधर उधर ज़मीन पे पड़े होंगे तो उसके ऊपर they can go trip over, वो गिर सकते हैं. They can also face a lot, means accident. Okay, so to avoid such accidents, to avoid these kind of accidents, we should keep the floors at home clean and dry always. So like every people, like small kids also and big peoples also live at home. So keeping a wet floor can be very dangerous for everyone. So to avoid these accidents, we should keep the floor of the house clean and dry. Okay, take care that the bathroom and the kitchen floors are not slippery, and we should also take care that the floors of bathroom and kitchen should not be slippery. If it will be slippery, then we can slip and can fall down. Do not leave your toys and other things lying on the floor. So the kids also, or we should not leave the things or toys lying on the floor. Why? Because anyone can trip over it and can fall down. Use a step, ladder or a stool to reach something placed high. So if something is placed high, you should not jump and catch it. You should use the ladder or steps to climb and then to get it. Understand? So these are the measures we should follow while we are to avoid the accidents of slipping. Okay. Now burns. Accident due to a fire in the kitchen can cause serious injury or even death. So accidents due to fire, आग. This mainly the fire work is what mainly happens in the kitchen, and this can gives us severe injury. बहुत ही ज़्यादा injure कर सकता है हम लोगों को, and it can also lead to death. So to avoid this burns and these accidents, one must not wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. Such clothes catch fire easily. So we should not wear synthetic clothes while we are working in the kitchen. Why? Because these kind of clothes catch the fire very easily, and these kind of clothes does not burn and change into ash. ये राख में नहीं बदलता है, ये मेल्ट हो जाता है और स्किन पे चिपक जाता है. जल्दी से ये आग भी पकड़ लेता है और मेल्ट होकर स्किन पे चिपक भी जाता है. तो इससे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंजरी हो सकती है. इसलिए वी शुड नॉट वेयर सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ्स while we are working in the kitchen. Gas stoves, when not in use, must be turned off. They must be checked regularly to avoid leakage. So gas burners, these gas stoves should also be turned off when we are not using it. Okay, because it could also lead to the leakage of gas, which can cause a big accident. Understand? Now electric shocks. Electric appliances make our work easy. So the electric appliances, they makes our work very easy. Whatever you will see, like the switchboard or iron, or what iron you do now, and then fans and everything, these are called electrical appliances. So they make our work easy, but also they can cause accidents. So we should handle them very carefully. So to avoid these accidents, do not touch electrical fittings with the wet hands. You may get an electric shock. So you should not touch the switches or electrical fittings, the fittings where जहाँ पर ये connection होती है electrical things की. We should not touch it with wet hands. Why? Because उससे हमें electric shock लग सकता है. Do not go too close to the table fans or heaters if they are on. So we should not go too close to the heaters and the table fan. Okay, it can also harm us. It can also we can have accident. If someone gets an electric shock or sees a spark, the main switch must be turned off immediately. So if someone is getting an electric shock, अगर किसी को shock लग रही है, तो we should the very first thing we should do is to turn off the main point. Okay, we should turn off the main point immediately, main switch immediately. Poisoning. Accidental consumption of chemicals and medicines can cause poisoning. Of course, if we get ill, so whenever we get ill, so first we go to doctor. Directly we didn't take the medicine. So first we go to doctor to consult about these things, and then the doctor provides us medicines. So taking medicine or anything any chemical things, it can lead us to poisoning. बिना कुछ पता किए हम अगर कोई भी chemical या कुछ भी खा लेंगे, it can cause poisoning and it can lead to death also. Okay, so what we should do, poisonous chemicals should be properly labeled and kept away from eatables. So whatever poison or whatever chemical things you have at home, it should be kept away from the kitchen and the eatable things. And also, do not take a medicine without asking an adult. So if you are feeling anything, you should not take medicine without asking any adult, or which is not prescribed by the doctor. Okay, so you read about the safety things you should follow at home. Now we'll read about the safety things we should follow at school. Okay, in schools, accidents can happen when children run and push each other. So in schools, mother and fathers are not there to take care of their children. So there are a lot of people, but not everyone can take care of you. So you should take care of yourself while you're at school. How? So do not rush while you are in school. Do not rush up onto stairs or in the playground. Okay, do not, if you will do rush, if you'll run, so you may fall and hurt yourself and others also. So if you'll do rush, अगर rush करोगे जल्दबाजी में, आप अपने आप को भी गिरा सकते हो, hurt कर सकते हो, and जो आसपास आपके रहेंगे आप उसको भी hurt कर दोगे. Use a swimming tube for swimming if you are not an expert swimmer. So if you are at swimming pool, you should use the swimming tube. If you don't know the swimming or you're not an expert in the swimming, because if you will not use it, you can get drawn inside the water. आप डूब सकते हो उसमें. So whenever if you are a children, of course you are a children, so if you are going in a swimming pool, you must go in the pool in the presence of an adult. Okay, now safety on the road. Follow traffic rules for your own safety and safety of others. Carelessness on the road can cause accidents. You should be very careful while you are walking on the road. बहुत सारे a lot of accidents happens mainly on the road. So when you are on the road, you should follow the safety rules. Okay, to avoid such accidents, we should always walk on the footpath, the left side of the road. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. जहाँ आपको zebra crossing दिखे वहीं पर आपको cross करनी चाहिए road. Understand? That means and before crossing the road, you should first look at your left, then right, and then again left. And then when the traffic and the car stops, then you should cross the road. Do not rush. Start out in time. So you should not rush. Jaldabazi nahi. You should not rush at road. Now, first aid. What is first aid? First aid is the medical help given to an injured or sick person before proper medical aid arrives. So what is first aid? First aid contains first aid is a first thing we provide to an injured person before he gets some proper medical aid. Okay, so and this first aid contains Dettol, Savlon, bandage, cotton, antiseptic solution, and everything. Okay, so what is first aid? It is a very first aid we give to an injured person before a big medical aid arrives. Okay, immediate first aid can save a person's life or prevent permanent injury. So if a person is injured, or and if we give first aid to that person, so it can save his life also and can prevent him from the permanent injury. You must learn to give first aid. While giving first aid, be calm and make the injured or sick person comfortable. So if a person got injured, so you should not आप घबराना नहीं चाहिए. So you should not be in a rush. Make yourself calm and make the another injured person also calm and lie down. Okay, लिटा देना चाहिए उसको, and आपको calmly अपने दिमाग को शांत करके उसका ट्रीटमेंट करना चाहिए. राइट? सो do not panic after an accident. If you're facing also an accident, do not get panic by seeing blood or something. You should be calm. Common emergencies that need first aid are minor cuts, fainting. So where we give first aid, the first aid दिया कहाँ जाता है? So it can be given by when a person has minor cut. अगर वो minor कोई छोटा सा cut हो जाता है, तो we can give first aid like bandage दे देंगे, तो it will stop, the blood will stop and वो सही हो जाएगा. Fainting, insect bites, snake bites and burns. So these are the things, the common things जहाँ हम where we can provide the first aid for minor cuts. If someone gets a minor cut, first wash the cut with water, then apply an antiseptic lotion over it. If there is bleeding from the cut, try to stop it by tying a bandage or the cut. So if for the minor cuts, if a person got cut or you got a minor cut, you have to first wash it. If blood is not means if there isn't any much blood coming out, so you should wash that wound, and after that you should apply the antiseptic lotion. Washing it removes the germs onto the wound, from the wound, and then you should apply the antiseptic lotion. And if it is bleeding much, मतलब ज़्यादा अगर blood निकल रही है, तो you should tie that place with a bandage. उससे क्या होगा, blood ज़्यादा नहीं निकलेगा. Okay, dirt and flies should not be allowed to sit on the wound as they may cause infection and send it. We should also take care of the wound. And if flies and mosquitoes will come, or insects will sit on the wound, they can cause skin infection, they can infect the wound. Okay, if a person faints, matlab behosh ho jana, if make him lie down with his head at a level lower than the body. So if this is a person, and if it get faint, so we should make him lie down by doing his head lower. Okay, ऐसे lower करके उसका head करके उसको लिटा देना चाहिए. Understand? Allow fresh air around the person, loosen his clothes and sprinkle cold water on his forehead. So if a person faints, make him lie down with head down and sprinkle cold water on his face and loose his clothes. Let the person rest quietly or send for a doctor. Okay. If bitten by an insect, insects bites or stings are painful. If bitten by an insect like a bee or wasp, apply paste of baking soda or cold cream on the affected part to give relief. Okay, if you've got an insect bite or something, you should first apply ice or cold things onto that place. It gives relief. Okay, you can also apply the paste of baking soda and cold cream. It will give you relief. Okay, for burns, if a burn is minor, wash the burnt area with cold running water, put an ice pack on the burnt area, then apply an antiseptic cream on the affected area. So if you got burn, अगर हाथ जलवल गया है, तो first you should wash your hand and then you should apply ice, a cool cool things and ice you should apply over there. उससे क्या होगा, you'll get relieved, और वो जो burnt area है वो heal भी हो जाएगा. Okay, it is good to be prepared for an emergency and to know how to give first aid. However, it is better to remember and follow safety rules to avoid accidents. Always remember, prevention is better than cure. So if whatever things you do and whatever work you do, before it you should get yourself safe, and you should follow every safety measures to keep yourself safe from the accident. And you should also know how to give a person a first aid, or because that can save his life also, that can heal its injury. And if you're also ये भी है कि if you're watching any person, injured person or sick person, or if you're injured, make yourself calm and make the person also calm down. उस ज़्यादा रश करने से प्रॉब्लम बढ़ सकती है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो देयर इज़ अ फ्रेज, प्रिवेंशन इज़ बेटर देन क्योर. तो प्रिवेंट रहना, खुद को सेफ्टी मेजर्स को फॉलो करना एंड खुद को प्रिवेंट करना हर चीज़ से ज़्यादा बेटर है एक्सीडेंट होने से. अंडरस्टैंड? सो पहले ही क्यों नहीं हम सेफ्टी मेजर्स फॉलो कर लें, सो दैट we will not face any accident further. Okay, so this chapter is completed. I'll provide you question answer through WhatsApp group. Stay home, stay safe.